shipping changes.
Hey, good afternoon, everybody. Welcome into the channel. It is the last day of February, Sunday the 28th, 2021. It's about 5 o'clock in the afternoon. I'm recording this, and all day since about noon or 1, my emails and inbox has been filled up from eBay messages regarding a glitch that apparently is pretty rampant. And so I reached out to eBay, and they've confirmed it is a glitch and it will fix itself for the most part. You may have to get a hold of them. So what's going on is that some of you, let's say you have 900 active listings, it's only displaying, be it mobile or desktop, maybe you have 850. So it's showing that you have 50 less than what you actually have. Some of them may not be displaying. They may be displaying, and if you scroll down and counted them, it actually would be 900, but instead it's just showing 850. So that's incorrect. Your active amount is the right number. It's just glitching on how many it's displaying. Also, there are some people that said some of their listings have disappeared, which is accounting for the lower number. So they had 900 and now they're showing 870, and there are 30 listings that are legitimately gone. They scrolled through their listings and they are gone. According to eBay, it is a display issue. They are still active in the system, and they are just not showing up and displaying, and they are working on actively fixing that, and you should see a solution to that. Whether that actually happens or not, we don't know. It should happen soon. Are buyers seeing those items? My best guess is probably not. If they're not displaying to you as an active listing in either the number or actually when you scroll through, pretty good chance that they're not displaying to a buyer who is searching through the search algorithm. You can certainly try to check that, but I don't expect that you guys with 800 or 900 listings or even 300 or 400 are going to go through and search for every one of your items and confirm that they're actually displaying to a buyer as if you were searching on eBay. So I wouldn't waste my time on that. Just give it a day, give it a few hours, give it till tomorrow. But that's the best I can get out of eBay for now. I'll follow up on this tomorrow on my social media, Instagram, Facebook, Twitter. If you don't follow me on Instagram, I post a ton there. So at Rockstarflipper, go follow me. But I'll do my best to update you guys on that as soon as possible. So that's where we're at with that. Also, I just want to give you guys a heads up, the best of videos for this past week. I'll link those below, some of the best videos if you missed them. There's all kinds of different content and topics about giving buyers free stuff, free junk, and all kinds of other topics from the live show, making your business legal, sales tax certificates, buying wholesale, all that stuff is down there, so do check that out as well. But I just wanted to make a very short video updating everyone on the glitch because I've gotten a ton of messages and a ton of emails already, probably 2 or 3 dozen today, literally no joke. Everyone freaking out. Relax, it should fix itself. If it doesn't, I'll follow up with you guys on Instagram and Facebook at Rockstarflipper, and make sure you follow me on there so you don't miss the updates when I hear back from eBay. So eBay, if you're watching this video, please get back to me as soon as possible. Let me know what is going on so everyone else doesn't have to flood your inbox. Okay, that's what I've got for you guys. I'll have another video, normal video out tomorrow on Monday, March 1st. If you guys have not used your free eBay shipping coupons, I'll link that below as well. Make sure you use your coupons. They expire at the end of this month, so you have 1 month left to use them. It's free. Make sure you use them. It's worth it. Again, I'll link it below. And also, I put on my website a free sample of all of my training packages, 100% free. Just put your email in, I'll email it to you. If you've never bought one of my training packages, this is your chance to just get a free sample of it, check it out, see what it's like, and if you like it, get the entire package. Covers eBay, Amazon, Poshmark, Shopify, accounting, numbers, bookkeeping, affiliate sales, wholesale, what am I forgetting here? Pretty much Instagram, Facebook, everything you could want is part of the whole package, but you can download the sample for free and check it out before you buy the rest. Other than that, I think we covered everything. The glitch, shipping supply coupons, the best of videos, my training package sample is free. Yeah, all that stuff. Link below, go check it out. And if you have any questions, comments, or concerns, please comment below and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. Enjoy the rest of what is left of your Sunday, and let's have a fantastic week going forward and a start of the last month of first quarter and the start of March 2021. Thank you guys so much for watching. Appreciate you as always, and I'll see you again tomorrow.